Halo guys, good morning.
Halo, good morning.
Belum.
Good morning Adele. Adele. Okay guys, I will tell you about responsibility because it's one of the most important things in life. Responsibility is one of the attitudes that every individual in the world must have. This attitude is very useful in living life and as learning to develop oneself. The definition of responsibility is human awareness of behavior or action, whether international or not. In the big Indonesian dictionary, responsibility means a condition in which you are obliged to bear everything or an obligation bear. Responsibility is performed along with the growth and development of child because this attitude comes from the heart and the willing of the oneself to carry out the obligation. The benefits of the attitude of responsibility responsibility to God, carry out the order and stay away from the prohibition, be grateful for the has been obtained, and care for the environment as good creation. Responsibility to yourself. Maintain health, safety, clean lines, and be responsible for action. Responsibility to family. Maintaining cleanliness, comfort, and safety in the family, obeying the rules that have been set together, and behaving in accordance with norms. Responsibility to the community. Participating in community activities, doing action in accordance with applicable norm and having the courage to report incidents that are detrimental to community to the authorities. Responsibility to the nation and state, maintaining the unity and integration of the nation, loving the homeland, preserving language and cultural arts. 1. Responsibility is a recipe for successful. Sorry. If you want to be successful person, then you have to take full responsibility for yourself to everything that happens in your life, everything your experience and anything that might happen in the future. Get used to being responsible even for small things such as your relationship with your partner, your achievements in your life, the result you get to your health condition, both physical and mentally. 2. Membership form a strong self-character. Being responsible for yourself is not easy. It's not even easy at all. At all. It would be more comfortable if we had someone to blame. For example, parents, client, economic circumstances, spouse, and sea work, and many more. That is what these two distinguishes successful people from people who fail in life. Responsible people in life are closer to success because they always see themselves as someone to blame. Thus, they will try to be better. 3. A responsible person has person has full control over his life. Responsibility is about how you respond to your environment. Here are two options for you: waiting passively for a golden opportunity to come, sitting idle by someone who has power of waiting for luck to fall from again. The second option is take control of your own life. Get up and take action, create your own destiny, try new things if needed, and get out of your comfort zone. These two options will give completely different results. And the first choice will not bring good result and help you achieve achievement, while the second option helps you achieve your goals by taking responsibility for your own life. 4. By responsibility, you control yourself. Not only do you have complete control over your life, you can also control yourself responsibility. The people who are successful in the life are those who focus on that they can control. And there is nothing that can be controlled but yourself. A responsible person can control himself to respond to everything that happens around him. They never blame other people or circumstances to things that are beyond their control. 5. Creating comfort around. Responsible people know their obligation. They undergo everything who wholeheartedly will create comfort for the people around them. For example, in a relationship with a partner. Sorry. If you do your job well, then the relationship between you and your partner will remain harmonious. There was no protest or argument because each one knew what they had to do. For starters, there's no need to take responsibility for your partner. Start by being responsible on your own part, responsible as a leader. In condition to being responsible to yourself and your personal life, at some point in your life you may have to answer to someone else. For example, you become the leader of the company or become a manager where you work. You will be faced with even greater responsibilities. That's enough, and thank you for your attention. Next.
Okay, this is my turn. On this occasion, I want to read discussion text about pros and cons of working at night. Work is an activity done consciously to earn income used to pay the cost of daily life, as well as saving money for future. Uh, Working is very important now. There are lots of people compete to get any job. Even they no longer have exact working system or hours. Text for example, there is or works during the day, but many of workers also work at nights nowadays. Everybody seems enjoying working in the daylight. Uh, however, however, working performed at night raises a lot of pros and cons in the community. For some people, working at night is not a problem at all because there are some benefits that can be obtained. One of them is it can increase productivity. It is because when they work at night, there will be little, even no interference that could interrupt their work. So those night workers will be focused in completing their work. In addition, it makes the job finished more quickly. Um, by working at night, the brain will focus on the work. Uh, as a result, the job will be finished faster because of the absence of interference that can that can hinder their work. Moreover, the atmosphere of the night, which is peaceful and away from the noise, makes the mind becomes calm. So no wonder a lot of talk or new innovation emerge in the night. Uh, However, not everyone agrees with night system. Mm, those who do not agree this bad habit notice that it can cause so many disadvantages for her. Uh, One of them is disturb sleep schedule. In that night time is used for sleep and rest. So when it is used to work, then the next day the body will become weak and be sleep in all time. Beside that, it's else result some change in the body's metabolism. For example, the decreasing of leptin hormone. Uh, this hormone is a substance that serves to control weight, blood sugar, and insulin in the body. As a result, the body will getting in trouble if there is lack of this hormone. Consequently, uh, the body will become increasingly thin. Moreover, it may increase the risk of depression. Various studies have revealed that in adversely affected the mental health of human beings, namely depression. Furthermore, they found that working at night may increase the risk of mood swing and unstable person condition, so they are more easily getting stressed. Even worse, this activity can lead to cancer. In the night, uh, the body will produce melatonin hormone, which is while sleeping, So if the body is not rest, uh, then the hormone will be, not be produced. As a result, there is a hormonal imbalance in the body that would trigger cancer. Although working at night has its advantages, however, there are also loss which are triggered by this bad habit. Therefore, it is better to maintain a healthy body because even though we have a lot of money, but our body is not healthy, then it does not mean at all. Mm. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. So next participant, Adele.
Adele is not here.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe it's connection. We just wait Adele from 2 minutes.
Okay, okay. Adele, it's your turn.
Okay. Wait, guys. Sorry. Um, Good morning.
Morning.
Morning, morning.
Okay. At the at this meetings, I will discuss about click checking. What is click checking? The click checking technique is a technique for manipulation the appreciation of the PVC so that it's a press transparent and hidden. The app position is our in such a way that it's always follow the movement cursor most of the blog visitor. The way it works is quite simple. You just need bring traffic to a secret URL click checking page. On this click checking page, visitors will be transit to the image or video display that specially designed to that they are hoping to click on it. When a visitor clicks on an image or video display, they have actually clicked at hidden behind the image. Click checking is a black hat technique in the PPC business. This technique is often used by world-class black hat master. Ethics is still a matter of controversy. Many black hat actors use this technique on all of their blogs. With this technique, they can easily get thousands of dollars per month from the pay for quick business. Click checking technique are a shortcut to getting big reprint in the pay-per-click business. If you have mastered this technique, of course you don't need to CEO technique or online marketing technique. How not? You can force every visitor to your blog to click on the ads and the website. In running click checking technique, you should be to greatly limit your income so that you always avoid the monitoring keep stay under radar. PPC network parties will be earthy suspicious, especially if they see an account that has experienced soar in revenue for a short time. We recommended that you use several accounts to split your income. This will reduce the risk of being banned and manual review by the VPC network. In adaptation, don't really on just one VPC network on the internet. There are hundreds of VPC networks that you can use. You also have to control the CTR. Always try to be in the normal position. Between 1%, for example, if you have a target of $5,000 from the PPC business, then you have to set up approximately 10 accounts. Then fill Earth account with $500 every month. As a saying goes, never put eggs in one basket. Regarding the correction of a PPC account, don't be confused. You can borrow the address of relative friends, girlfriends, or other relatives. Creating an account on the PPC network, like AdSense, is free of charge. Moreover, you can also charge your friends every month. That's all I can discuss this time. Thank you for attention, guys.
Okay. Bye.